So, David, can you give us a brief description of how the X39 patch works?
Yeah, so the LifeWave technology works by stimulating the body with very low levels of light. So if we went back to the 1970s, a researcher in Germany by the name of Fritz Popp was the one that really discovered that there were light emissions off human body, off plants and animals. And these light emissions were highly coherent. They were as coherent as laser pulses. And so nothing ever happens by accident in biological systems. So if we're detecting light coming off the body, there must be a reason for it being there. And later research determined that these pulses of light are triggering thousands of different biochemical reactions within the cell at any one time. So our bodies, we are literally beings of light, and we're using light for communication. And because our body emits light, it means that our energy field, our light body, in not an esoteric sense or spiritual sense, in a very real physical sense, is interacting with the people around us. So, the way this technology is designed is to tap into that code, understand the code that we were created with, and how does our body use light to trigger these reactions and then use a technology to tap into it. So the patches contain organic materials that are processed in a very specific way so that when activated by body heat, they will stimulate the body with very low levels of light. This stimulation turns an enzyme on in the cell called cytochrome C oxidase. It's part of the electron transport chain. This increases the metabolism of the cell, and genes are expressed to turn on synthesis of specific peptides like copper peptide, GHKCU, in the case of X39. So the short answer is we stimulate the skin with light, and this causes an increase in a peptide that activates stem cells.